Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering software and tech tools with ease. In today's video, we are diving into Jetpack Workflow, the powerful accounting and project management software designed to help accountants, bookkeepers, and financial pros streamline their recurring tasks, manage deadlines, and scale their firm efficiently. So whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your firm's workflow, we will walk you through the key features, how to set up your clients and jobs, manage your team's productivity, and of course keep track of everything with powerful reporting tools. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Jetpack. On the top corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. But of course, we all know that the better option is to click the free trial. If you do, you will be forwarded to a new page. It's very simple. Click the Start Your 14-day free trial. That would forward you to this submission page. And to make the account creation faster and easier, you can also sign up using your Google or with your Microsoft account. Once you've done that, you will be forwarded to the main homepage of Jetpack Workflow. And as you may notice that it offers a very clean and intuitive interface. We have been using Jetpack for quite some time, and right off the bat, you would see that your free trial expires in certain days. All right. Now, in the left side area of our navigation, you have noticed that right here we have the planning. Okay, so the planning is essentially the section where you can use to map out timelines or set milestones and organize tasks. Okay, so this includes if you want to edit all of these, for example, team allocation, helping you to align deliverables with the deadlines and assign dependencies between tasks. Now, the teamwork is designed for collaborative work among team members. Okay, so you have the ability to see and you can click, for example, the apply for the unassigned here. It includes all features like shared tasks lists, discussions, file sharing, and real-time updates. Now, in this scenario, you may notice that. Now, the next is going to be the My Work. The My Work is where you can view your personalized section for your unassigned task, deadlines, and priorities. I find it very useful for focusing on individual responsibilities without the noise of unrelated team tasks, because it often includes filters like due date, right here, all overdue, view by status, and view by project. It's up to you, all right? Now, the projects is here to create, view, and manage projects. If you want to create a new project from scratch, it's very easy. All right, type in the new project in hand. For example, how to use Jetpack Workflow. All right. With this, you can select the client option. Is it going to be like, for example, ABC Company, Barbara Sample, maybe Example Incorporated. You can assign a team member. Let's say, for example, if that's going to be for Leo, or maybe leave it unassigned. Okay, so we have that already, and you can also have the ability for if it's going to be a repeating project. Is it going to be a one-off or a project base? Or let's click the yes, and the frequency. You can set a recurring date, maybe every week on Saturday, or every month on the 19th, or every month on the third Sat. Once you have set the parameters, click the create a project. All right, so if you want that, maybe let's click on daily. Let's click the create a project. So once you have set the project, you can also add a task right here. Description. Okay, so you can put in an assignee. That's going to be for Leo. Budgeted time minutes, for example, 69, and you have that already. If you want to add a checklist item, you can do that as well here. So click on save. All right, yes. Now, once you have done that, it's going to be easier for you to track overall projects, goals, and execution. And then obviously the template section is where you store your pre-built project and tasks template. Right now, we don't have anything yet in place. If you want to create a new template from scratch, it's very easy. All right. Let's try to type in our own description, and here you can create and add another, but for now we're going to create a pre-built template that we can use to speed up the process of creating new projects. Of course, with this, you can use standard workflows, which is kind of really great for recurring or similar project structures. Like for example, marketing campaigns and client onboarding. All right. Now we're going to go to the clients. This is going to be a dedicated area to manage information about the clients you work with. If you want to create a new client, let's do that. Let's create a new client. Type description is here. If they have like, for example, create the assignees, and their priority level you can set to none, low, medium, and high. It's up to you. All right. And then for the services, is it going to be like accounts payable, accounts receivable, audit, and bookkeeping? Let's say that's going to be accounts receivable, and click the create a client. So for now, let's create the client. So we have that already covered. All right. After the client is going to be the contacts. Now, the difference between client and contact is that the contacts is a list of any internal and external collaborators. For example, if you're working with team members, your client, maybe your vendors, suppliers, and stakeholders. Let's say in this instance, that's going to be the name. You can put in the email, phone number, and a lot more, and click the create contact. Okay. Once you have filled out the contact section, we're going to go to the notifications. It displays alerts and updates regarding tasks changes, mentions, deadlines, or messages. With this, you can create a settings for the notification so that it could help you informed of everything relevant to your work. Okay, so it can be often customized to reduce distractions. If you don't want to receive any notifications during your work time, you can do so. But I highly suggest you click all of it so that it's going to be productive. That's what Jetpack Workflow is about, productivity. And obviously the account section is where you manage your user profile, password, and sometimes billing info. Now, speaking of billing info, we're going to go to the upgrade account, because if you feel that Jetpack Workflow is going to be the tool that answers your business needs, I want you to add your payment info and then pick your plan frequency. The starter comes around $45 per month, and after your free trial ends, the subscription will no longer continue until a payment method is added. All right. And with that being said, and that wraps up on our walkthrough with Jetpack Workflow. It is intuitive, flexible, and specifically designed for accounting teams. While it may take a bit of setup initially, once everything is in place, it can save you hours every week. Especially if you're running a growing firm or just need better visibility into your workflow, it's worth a serious look. From managing projects and recurring tasks to automating client communication and monitoring team workloads, Jetpack Workflow definitely delivers solid tools that cater to accounting professionals. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to drop a like, share with your team, and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this one. If you have any questions or maybe experience with a Jetpack, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.